The Supreme Court has deferred the Allahabad High Court order that allowed a scientific survey of a Shivling that was purportedly found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque in Uttar Pradesh last year. Now, the order was passed on an appeal by the Gyanvapi Mosque Management Committee. And let's now give you some background about this. Earlier, the Allahabad High Court had directed that a scientific survey be conducted of what is believed to be a Shivling found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque. The High Court ordered an Archaeological Survey of India survey as well on this. The High Court had instructed ASI, or the Archaeological Survey of India, to carry out the survey without harming the structure. But now the Supreme Court has deferred the Allahabad High Court order allowing a scientific survey of a Shivling that was purportedly found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque. My colleague Alok Pandey joining us for more details on this. And Alok, can this be taken as a stay on any further survey at the Gyanvapi Mosque?
I don't think that would be the most correct assessment, in the sense that what the court has said is that till the next date of hearing, they are deferring this scientific survey order because they want to hear all sides, and perhaps rightly so, in the sense that the Supreme Court says that this is a very sensitive issue. So they would like to hear both sides, and they need to tread carefully in this matter, is what the court has said. So it's not like a permanent ban on it, but obviously this will be up for debate and up for a legal discussion, so to say. If you remember, on the 12th of this month, which is about a few days earlier, the Allahabad High Court had overturned a Varanasi District Court order from last year and said that a scientific survey of that purported Shivling at Varanasi's Gyanvapi Mosque should be carried out. And it had directed the Archaeological Survey of India to tell the Varanasi court how it would do it. And the Mosque committee had gone to the Supreme Court then saying that this should not be allowed. So at the moment, I don't think the court has gone into the merits of what can be allowed, what can't be, or what the legal or scientific position is. They've just said that this is a very sensitive matter, and they won't let it happen right now in terms of the deferment. They've gone and deferred it, and they've said that they will discuss more about this in the next date of hearing.
Alok, and while you've clarified that, and that's important to note that this is only deferred till the next date of hearing, and we can't take it as a stay on any further survey at the Gyanvapi Mosque. So can you tell us something about what this means for the case going ahead, and tell us what has happened in this case till now and what this order means for the future?
Well, I think what I can do is to briefly recap the case for the benefit of our viewers and for us ourselves, given that this is a very complex case. So it started about August 2021 when 5 women filed a petition seeking year-long worship at a shrine inside the Gyanvapi Mosque complex in Varanasi, claiming there are idols of Hindu gods and goddesses inside the mosque. Now, in May 2022, which is last year, in April, in fact, not in May, a civil court in Varanasi ordered a video filming survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque. That survey took place in May. This matter went up to the Supreme Court, which again in May transferred the case from the civil judge to Varanasi's topmost judge, which is the district judge, who then decided that the plea by those women about this year-long worship was maintainable, it would be heard. However, the same judge, the district judge in Varanasi, then said that there could be no scientific survey of that Shivling, something the Allahabad High Court then overturned this year.
Right. All right, Alok, thanks very much for joining us with those details.